Hi family and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So today we're gonna be doing my favorite cake, coconut cake. So fam, the first thing you like to do is to beat your butter, sugar and vanilla on medium speed until light and fluffy for about 8 to 10 minutes depending on what you're using. I will be using the stand mixer to make it easy. While our ingredients are mixing, let's go ahead and sieve flour and baking powder into a medium bowl, then whisk in shredded coconut. So far for this recipe, we're going to be using 4 egg whites and 4 whole eggs. Add the eggs 2 at a time, beating until well incorporated before adding the next one. After adding all your eggs, scrape down the sides of your bowl and begin to add your flour mixture in 4 parts, alternating with the coconut milk in 3 parts, beating just until each addition is incorporated before adding the next. Do not overmix. I hear some of you saying that, oh, is that how easy it is to bake a coconut cake? Yes, it is very easy. So once your batter is ready, just go ahead and scrape that batter into a prepared cake pan and spread it until very smooth. Bake until a toothpick inserted in the middle of your cake comes out clean, about 45 to 50 minutes. So fam, our cake is ready. Look at how crunchy it is. Oh my god. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop your comments below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you.